Yeah, that's how we do it. Raining money, big plays only.
Sly Gittens from Tech Simplified. Is AI coming for your job? And this is not a drill. Amazon already replacing entire teams with AI agents. And if you're not careful, you'll be next. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a victim. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to future-proof your career, stay highly paid, and keep yourself ahead in the AI-driven market. Let's cut straight to the chase. Why does staying current in tech matter so much right now? Here are two quick facts. First, according to Dice.com, recent salary report, tech professionals who master AI skills roughly earn 18% more than those who don't. Think about that. Just by upgrading your skills, you can significantly increase your earning potential. And that's real money, tangible security, and career longevity. Second, a PwC report highlights that AI-related jobs evolve about 66% faster than other technology positions. That rapid change means that if you're not continuously learning, you're quickly becoming outdated. Employers today are desperate for agile learners who can jump into new technologies swiftly and effectively. Your ability to adapt and grow is now your most powerful career advantage. Now let's be crystal clear about who's the most at risk of being left behind in this AI revolution. First are the change resistors. These are the professionals who shy away from new technologies. And Gartner warns that those unwilling to embrace new tech could find that their careers stall permanently. Next are the AI avoiders. These folks think that they can skip AI entirely, hoping it's just a fad. Ignoring AI right now is more than risky. It's career suicide. In an economy increasingly powered by automation, refusing to learn AI is simply not an option. Finally, they're the tech-only tribe. They are the brilliant coders and engineers, but they're missing something critical: soft skills. According to the World Economic Forum, creativity, collaboration, and communication are among the top skills employers demand. Being great at code isn't enough anymore. You also need to be great at working with people. All right, enough with the warnings. Let's talk action. How can you practically stay relevant, valuable, and highly paid? Step one, dive deeply into high demand tech fields such as AI, cloud cybersecurity, data analytics, and DevOps. You don't have to become an expert overnight. Start small with real world projects. Get your hands dirty by actually doing work rather than just watching tutorials. Step two, make lifelong learning a priority. Set aside structured learning time each week. And this isn't optional anymore. It's mandatory. As athletes regularly train to stay competitive, tech professionals need ongoing education to keep their skills sharp. Step three, seriously invest in your soft skills. Communication, creativity, teamwork, and leadership aren't buzzwords. They are vital skills that separate replaceable employees from indispensable team members. Companies today actively seek professionals who can innovate, collaborate, and effectively communicate complex ideas. So, how do you tackle all of this effectively? That's where Tech Simplified comes in. Our platform is designed specifically to help you rapidly build practical, in-demand tech skills and soft skills. At Tech Simplified, we focus on real-world scenarios and practical applications, not theoretical fluff. Our comprehensive training programs cover AI fundamentals, cloud certifications, cybersecurity essentials, and essential human skills like teamwork and creativity. We ensure you have the exact tools and knowledge you need to thrive and not just survive. In the modern workforce, it isn't your standard tech training, it's a career insurance. Bottom line is, AI ain't going anywhere. Companies like Amazon have already started making massive shifts, and many others will soon. The question is whether you need to adapt, is how quickly you can. And if you are ready to take action, secure a career, and increase your earning, check out Tech Simplified right now. Your future career and financial security depend on what you do next. Thanks for watching. And if you're an employer, reach out. We got corporate training and onboarding training so you can get the most out of your tools. So remember, AI is smart, but you're smarter. Let's keep it that way. Peace.